Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So right now I had a very excited unboxing, the Microneedling GloPRO. So this one is the limited edition one sold just at Sephora. I hear a lot of good stuff for this product and I saw it at Sephora, which was the glitter one. I'm gonna show you. I have that and I have others attachment that come with the GloPRO. Well, don't come with, you have to buy it separate, but I'm gonna show you guys the attachment that I bought. So all of that I got it from different places because I went for the best deal, and I'm gonna tell you later on by the end of the video where I got it and for the deal that I got it, and how you can look for deals like that. I'm gonna try this product for the whole month of November, and I'm gonna see how it works out, how good it is, and I'm gonna give my review about it. So if you're interested, you can purchase one for Christmas or for a loved one or for yourself. But right now the video is just gonna be about unboxing, and you guys gonna see how cute it is. The first box that I got is from actually BeautyBio, their own website. BeautyBio. From this is what the bags look like. This is them, BeautyBio. The box is very cute. It comes packed very nicely, and it says "Truth in Beauty." Have this card with the receipt inside, and it says "Get that glow on." Yes. Tell you the website here, www.beautybio.com. Okay. This is the GloPRO Rose Quartz Face and Body. So it's to contour your face plus body, and is the attachment head for the actually body of the microneedler tool. And this one, the good thing is that you actually put the product, your facial product, if it's your cream or your nighttime cream or whatever you use in your face oil, you kind of like roll this through your face and you eliminate puffery and stuff like that, and it helps out to kind of like distribute the product around your face. You don't have to use your hand, and kind of like in the same time massage your face. So I think that's great. The color is super cute. You can see it's like a kind of rose gold in the side. So this one, the price original is $45. I got it in the BeautyBio website for 20 or 25% off. So soon I saw it there, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get it, because in every other places is full price. So that's why I got it there. So it was a shame because I already got the other stuff, so I couldn't get any more items with them. But this one was a big deal, and it sounds like I'm gonna open it because it sounds like it had the storage bags. Ooh, it's cold. It's freezing. It's very cold. It feels good though, like especially for under the eyes. Is it puffy or something like that? Like you want it like a cool, refreshing feeling. This is it. And it feels very, very good. It's definitely worth it. So yeah, that's nice. It's come with the kind of like the storage bags. So you just put it there like that, and that's it. Okay, next I have these bags, which is from Sephora. This is the main thing right here. I ordered from Sephora, which you can look in the website where this one, the glitter one, right now is just Sephora limited edition one, and it's only online. So soon I saw that deal, I was like, oh my god, I have to get my hands on it after I did a lot of research, review, and all that. I got it for $1.99. It usually is $2.30 or $2.50, something like that. Plus, sometimes Sephora have 20% off, which right now have 20% off. So that's even a better deal. And this is the beauty right here. This is the glitter one, and it comes with other product. It comes with the balance pH balancing cleanser, and it comes with the glitter, pink glitter GloPRO Microneedling regeneration tool. And the little bottom here is the Nile Deluxe Mini, and the Ultimate Deluxe Mini Hydrating Hyper Vitamin Cream, which is that little guy right there. So they say it's a painless process. It's a lot of needle, like 500 little tiny needle that you put it on your face. Actually, you know what? I had to try for the first time. At least I'm gonna show you guys. This is it. I'm excited because they don't have this pink one anywhere, so and look like it's selling pretty fast. People really like it. And it's a shame because if you already got a regular one and this pink, it's just so cute. Ooh, this is it. Right here. You just have to know exactly what you want, what you need, and keep eye out for it. Try to get the best deal. Look in different websites. So I love the little bags that come with it. Oh my goodness! You feel like a little peach. I'm so scared to use it. I can't. Oh my god, I feel like a pinchy, but not that bad. Like, it's so tiny. You can like, well, the point of this is like you're gonna get all little pinches, right? Like, and then the product. Just cells of, I will explain later when I do my review, but it's something that's supposed to work very nice in your skin on there, and it's like the same effect that when you get a cut or your cells and all that start to working out and reproduce new cells and kind of like a build up and made it perfect, like a all new everything. So this is kind of like the same effect. You're gonna get like a trigger like injury to your skin, which is not a big injury, but for your skin it's gonna feel like an injury, and then it's gonna be repaired right away nicely. So that's like kind of like the point of this. I really want to try it. I'm gonna take, but look at how cute it is. Look at how pretty all glittered up. I really like it. You have the button here that is to change the attachment, and you have the, okay, let me take, look like in the battery here. I'm gonna take the tape out. Ooh, have this LED light. You can feel like a little vibration. Oh my goodness. It's not that bad. I mean, you can feel like the little pinching thing, but it's not like crazy, like it hurt or something like that. So I don't want to do it too much in my skin because I have makeup on. But it actually feels like a little tickly. But you feel it. You feel the little pinch. But don't hurt at all. So it's supposed to all the product that you use in your face after you use it all kind of way, to get the product 200 times more than if you don't use it. Kind of like I feel a little burn, but not too much. It's just like supposed to be good for your skin, for the scar, for rejuvenate everything. So supposed to be very good. So this is empty bottle that come with this, so you just have to fill it up with alcohol, 70+% up, 70 plus, you know, like the concentration of the alcohol, how high, from 70 plus you're able to use this, and then you can like express here, spray the tool and do disinfect it. So this is the beauty right here. I'm very, very excited. It's I'm more when for the Dior that I got, so they usually very expensive. Look at this, how beautiful is all this presented, like very, very beautiful. All this, it's just amazing. It comes with the book. Oh, it comes to, wait a second, with five clean pad. Oh, wait, this is the prep pad. It's a prep pad. You use it, I think, after you finish and you put it out to prep your skin, and then you use the GloPRO on your skin. And this is kind of like instruction, and it's better if you use it with the BeautyBio products. But the founder of this, she mentioned that don't matter what kind of product it is that you use, whatever you use and do best for your skin, you can use it with this. You don't have to use the specific her product. So I like that. I love that idea that she really trust what she have, because you know she don't mind like you guys. So this is the beauty tent right here. That's the last thing in the market right now, and she have been winning like the big winning of beauty tent and all that, so I trust it. And last but not least, I'm gonna show you this set, which I'm gonna tell you that each, here you go, right here is a gift set with 4 attachments for the GloPRO. It comes with a face micro tip head, eyes micro tip head, lip micro tip head, and body micro tip head. The tool already comes with a face micro tip head. So it's always good to get extra one, because you're supposed to change every 3 to 4 months, depending how often you use it. So if you can use it between 2 and 3 times a week, but you can use it every day, especially every night before go to bed. You use it only 1 minute. If you do it all over your face, put the product that you put, so it can like get all on your skin and work out during the night while you're sleeping. So I didn't mind, and some of this product is like $45 and the other $35, which altogether come to $150, and I got it for $115. So right now in Sephora they have this set too, this gift set, and you for the same price, $115, and you can get a 20% off. So that is a great, amazing deal. So I'm really, really excited about this. All 4 attachment and have all the cover head and all that. I got that one at Nordstrom, but you guys definitely can get it for very, very good price. So if this is something that you're looking out for, just wait for the right moment. I think right now, getting close to Christmas, you're gonna get a lot of deals up there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it give you some ideas, so you was able to see what is this. And let me know if you already have one and you have been using it, how it worked for you, if you like it or not. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell down there so you can be notified for future videos that I post and you don't have to miss any. So bye bye.